Welcome friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Twyla Miller from northeastern Ohio, and I am right now just getting ready to leave my parents' place. I came over this morning to do some things, and on my way here I was seeing a lot of flooding. We have been having quite a bit of rains lately, and there is a lot of flooding going on, and so I thought, well, I will bring you all along, and we will go kind of maybe go see what all is happening out there. So come along. I want to show you Mom's flower beds. The spring flowers are really popping up, and they're smelling so pretty outside of her kitchen window here, and by the porch, front porch. It's just so pretty and smells so nice here. Anyhow, okay, we are coming around to a place where it floods really easily. The creek here. Oh, you can't really see it. It's, somehow full. The road has some mud on it. You know that the water was up here. See the water in the ditch there. Over here. All that is water. That's supposed to be a field, not a pond. We used to live along this, not so far from here. So, I know that this place can get flooded so badly. This place would always have water all across it. You can see in the woods there, the woods are in water. Along here. Okay, they're cars trying to let me through. Water rushing. Yeah, this is just I was somehow rushed in the last clip because a car was waiting for me. So like earlier this morning, my guess is this was completely covered underwater so that nobody could pass. You hear the frogs. Up over the train track. This is a field that has water in it. Okay, friends, here's another area that is really flooded. This morning it was really high. Sorry, I have my four-ways on because I'm by the highway. But yeah, it is. This is supposed to be a field, not a pond. Hey, I found a really bad area. So I'm out of my car because I cannot cross the road. So I'm going to, take a walk and show you more what it's like. Here we are. This is the road. As you can see, way back there, it's a feed mill. Looks like somebody else is coming down to see it. But yeah, there is no way one can cross the road here. You can see it just rushing there. The fence is about covered. You can see the sheep. There's sheep up there on the hill. One thing for sure, with all this rain, the grass has gotten really green. But yes, this is just something else. Here's a red maple that is drying, that is blooming, and then these two trees on the side here are just absolutely gorgeous. That white one. This is a tulip tree. It's not showing up as nice on the camera, but it's just absolutely beautiful. And the yellow in the grass, it's just beautiful. As for this white one, it is another beautiful one. It looks like the ones that I had done in my last video. Okay friends, look at these trees. They're just so beautiful. They're like, the camera is not picking up the beauty of the pink. I mean, just look at it. It is raining so much yet. I mean, not real hard, but enough to make everything wet. And with the sun not shining, it's not picking up the beauty, but I wanted you all to see those